Hey guys, welcome back. So I've been going kind of crazy off camera. I don't know, my phone died when I was doing a time lapse of the battery box I was building. So I don't know, I never checked yet if my footage was safe from that, but yeah, I'm doing a battery box right now. It's all done actually. I started routing the wire I have for the battery relocate through the firewall, and it got kind of crazy from there. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, I started running my wire. I also got the hole cut for this intercooler piping, and I got a nice rubber seal around it. I got some more MIG wires, so I still have to finish up welding this with some ugly welds. But anyway, yeah, I started running this, and then I kind of got crazy because when I started routing it, I realized I don't really need the carpet in there, so I started taking the carpet out, and yeah, this is where we're at right now. I have all this out. I have this wire ran. It's gonna be strapped up here to the side. It's actually pretty clean under here. I found some pennies and stuff too from 1989 and 1965, so kind of makes, there's a bunch of audio wiring here too, so I'll show you that real quick. Kind of makes me wonder if the wiring was done the same time that somebody lost some pennies in there, because it's pretty old. Like, you don't see the speaker wire around very often anymore, especially like these. So makes me wonder if it was done in the 90s or something, maybe early 2000s, but kind of cool. Yeah, this was all just bundled up in there. I don't know who does this anymore, like twirls it around like each other, which also makes me wonder. But yeah, I cut out all that carpet too. I got rid of some more sound deadening. I'm gonna keep the sound deadening in the seat areas, because it's pretty solid. So, but yeah, it's pretty nice in here, pretty clean. It's not, the only rough spot is right here, which it's still solid, so that's good. Got my wire ran up here. Here's my battery box. I don't know if the video saved when my phone died, but I'll show that real quick. So yeah, I just built the aluminum holder here. and just a little box for it to sit in. And I'm gonna mount this with some bolts through the floor here and stuff. But yeah, here's my cable. It's 2-aught, I think, so it should be lots. And yeah, I'm gonna try to make all that look neat. I also cleaned up back here, so all this was like really dusty, like caked on dust like that, and like this, and just took a little horse brush and scrubbed it and sucked it out with the vacuum, and it looks way better back here. Definitely shows the imperfections, like just a small rust spot there that's easily savable, but other than that, it's actually in pretty good shape. Like, it's an old major rust. Typically you see a lot of rust in here, but doesn't appear to be any, so that's good. I also took out this, there's a huge like piece of ready rod, threaded rod here, like 8 feet tall. It was just unnecessary, got rid of that. But yeah, it's looking pretty good back here. I got pretty hectic. I just started going pretty crazy with it, but I believe that's everything I have going on right now. I also did a time lapse. I just did a time lapse of this you guys just saw, so cleaning up that. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of stuff off camera. But we're making progress. So for this intercooler piping, I'm gonna come down here like it is, and then I'm gonna cut it around here somewhere and have a 45 continue down, out, weld those two together. I'm gonna weld them up in a bit here, but yeah, they come down, can come down here, out, and into our intercooler. So everything's coming along nice from this point anyway. I also buttoned up, what did I do with it? Oh, I buttoned up, put the cover back on the ECU, and yeah, it's just the small things, but making progress. I also have so I don't know what to do with this yet. I have a couple ideas, but I got this. It's a license plate, but I want to bend it and form it somewhere. I don't want to actually put it on the car. I was thinking about bending it around the battery box, maybe, like have the taxi part here and then have mom's bend around the corner. But just for a laugh or two, but I'm not too sure yet. If you guys come up with something where I can do with this, let me know. I was thinking about building a heat shield out of it too, but I just thought it was pretty funny. I'm just not sure where to put it, so yeah. But I'm gonna get back at it. I'm gonna try to finish up. I don't have everything to do the battery relocate today, but I'll have everything hopefully cleared up back here and with the fuel pump wired in and everything like that. So yeah. Hey guys, it's another day. So you're gonna hear a lot of the heater in this episode because the last few clips you just seen, it was minus 15. Now it's down to minus 40. It's been like that for the past couple days, and it's gonna be like it for the rest of the week. So pretty much as soon as I shut the heater off, I'm right back where I started for heat. But today I got a few things while I was kind of waiting the cold out in the mail, so I'm going to show you those real quick. So I got my Deechworks injectors. They're plug and play from what I've been told. But yeah, these are on sale. They're 800 cc's. So this is them there. Haven't even opened them yet, but they've got two plugs on them. I think one is for a C18 DET, and then the other plug is for the KA. So I'm going to be wiring those in today. I also got some more electrical parts to finish up with this positive cable in the engine bay. I got a distribution block. And I got these as well. I'll show these real quick. I got some spark plug protectors. There's plug wire protectors, because this is when that up pipe goes on, these wires are touching the up pipe. So, and I'm just gonna throw it all on all of them. And I got 8 of these, so should have plenty of those. I also got solid motor mounts, but I won't be throwing those in today. I'll probably throw it in with this motor when I build it, because it's probably going to need it, along with that solid transmission mount. But I might put the transmission mount in when I put in my stage 3 clutch that I got. I also got some, hopefully you guys can hear me over that heater, but this will be going in later too. So this is all -6 AN fuel line, and a bunch of fittings and stuff for it. So I'll be doing that. That's for, I'm going to eventually put a fuel cell in the car. So yeah, I think that was everything I got in the mail, but these are definitely pretty sweet. They got the flow chart and everything here, so when I go to put it into Nistune, should fire right up. But yeah, my goals for today: get the exhaust officially on. I still have to mess with that hole up there, widen it out a little bit, and want to maybe put the wideband on and get it plumbed in. And definitely want to finish back here with the battery. I might start on mounting the seats. I have these weird trailer brackets that I got from Princess Auto, and they might work for seat mounts. I'll just have to weld them in, but we're gonna give it a go, because I don't want to take off these stock rails and weld them onto the other seats, because it looks like a real big hassle. And yeah, I think that's the gist of what I want to get done today. It's really cold, so I was just kind of bored sitting at home. This weekend I want to try to get this done so I can have it all welded, and that side's already pretty much done. So yeah, I'm going to get up to wiring these injectors in, and I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, it's been a minute, so I got a lot done. You can see my time lapse there. I got the injectors all done and the fuel rail back on. Since then I've done a lot more, but I haven't filmed it because it's kind of just boring stuff and it takes a long time. But I'll quickly go over that with you, what I got done. So I got the battery cable all done. This is the distribution block, so everything's connected there. I'm gonna cover it up eventually, but that's there. I got this ground done. I might move this ground. I don't really like it on the shock tower, but I also got these spark plug protectors on, so you can see how close this is to the exhaust. That's all on. The exhaust is completely on now and fits through the hood. I still have to do the nice trim piece around that. I'm just trying to go a bit quick here because it gets cold fast in here without the heater. It's minus 45 right now. But yeah, I got the battery box done. I utilized my sign or my license plate. I got a nice holding bracket. It's in there pretty good. It's not going anywhere. This is my circuit breaker, so that works all good. And I'm grounded right here. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly, I think that's everything I did. It's been a little bit, but I'm gonna, oh, I got a bunch of other stuff buttoned up in the engine bay, but I'm gonna quickly try and start the car. I don't know if it probably won't start on these injectors, and I don't know if I actually saved a tune on that, but I don't have my laptop, so I kind of want to just hear that up pipe, and I'm sure you guys do too, so we're gonna give it a go. So I'm gonna flick on our circuit breaker here, and I'm just gonna jump in the car. Oh, my fuel pump isn't hooked up. 1 second. Okay, so I got my fuel pump hooked back up. Let's give this a whirl. Oh, it's hard in here with no seats. Okay, I'm just gonna move this. Hopefully nothing blows up. Oh, let's turn on the circuit breaker. We have power. Oh. Yeah, that's running really rich. Really rich. Sounds like it has a mean cam on it, but that's so rich. Holy. Yeah, but at least we know everything works. It starts up fine. So that was my main goal for today. Next time I'll probably bring my laptop, and I still have to mock up these intercooler pipes and get those welded out with the blow-off valve and everything, and then button up the radiator and all that, and still have to build some bumper mounts. But yeah, it's coming together pretty good. Also, just quickly, I was saying earlier, I fixed up this bolt was broken off here, and this is mounted sturdy now. The fuel regulator's mounted, so yeah, it's coming along pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I still have to mount up my gauges and clean up that mess and get some switches going for the fuel pump, and yeah, but that's pretty much easy stuff. I think we're through a lot of the hard stuff in terms of getting the car running, which is good. So just a lot of small stuff to button up now. You know, a little bit of body repair, but it's good to know that those injectors work because they're pretty expensive, but they're plug and play. They're Deechworks. They're on, I got them off OJ Performance. They were on sale. They had 400cc or 450cc and 800cc, and they had them on sale for the same price. So I mean, I'm obviously going to go with the 800cc. I think I'm just repeating myself now, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not sure when I'll be out again because it gets cold here fast. It's minus 45 right now, and it's going to be minus 45 for the rest of the week. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good day.